Next up is your identification test, where you're going to have to rely on your taste buds, your nose, and your eyes to correctly identify different types of cheese.
Oh. Okay, bring out the stinky feet. I don't eat cheese, I don't know cheese types. If you don't like cheese, you never stop and stare at it in the supermarket.
We have selected a variety of fantastic Woolworths cheese for you to identify in this test.
Oh yeah, I know this stuff.
The first 3 contestants to give an incorrect answer will go into the elimination challenge, after which one of you will go home.
I'm nervous because I know I'm not good with names, but I'm just hoping it's something that I can be lucky with.
On your stations, you have a box with the names of a selection of Woolworths cheese. Once you've tasted your sample, you need to select the correct name from the box and display it. Think carefully. If you get a wrong answer, you run the risk of leaving the MasterChef kitchen.
I'm not that confident because my knowledge of cheese is very limited.
Your first cheese, please taste and select your answer.
The first cheese, that one's okay. I mean, you bake with that, and Leandri actually eats it.
I know what it is, but I couldn't think of the name. And then, as we went through the boards, I just knew this was it.
6 of the same answers. Let's see if you're correct. Cottage cheese.
We all obviously felt the same because we all had this. That was excellent.
Well, we're off to a good start, so let's hope it stays this way.
You have your second cheese. Let's have a taste.
It smells foul. It just stinks beyond belief. It's nasty, man. It's just... I have no idea what that is. I would never try that out of myself. Just go through the cheese names and see which one I recognize.
Leandri, I noticed you didn't like the smell of this one.
I didn't like the smell and I didn't like the taste. There wasn't a poop option in the box, but that was nasty.
You've all made your selections. Tumi, Swiss Gruyere, Leandri, Wineland Brie, Celine, Wineland Brie, Mary, also Swiss Gruyere, Amanda has chosen Camembert, and Sinette has gone for Gorgonzola.
There's 4 different cheeses. I thought, oh my goodness, have I got this completely wrong?
The correct cheese is... Gorgonzola. Sinette, you chose correctly. You're safe. You can go upstairs.
I was so relieved.
Because we're only looking for the bottom 3, all 5 of you are still in the running.
It's time to taste your next cheese.
Looking at the texture, I can tell that it's a feta. People have told me that goat's milk feta has a really strong goat taste, and I just didn't get that goat flavor.
There's 2 different answers on the tables. One of them is the correct one. The correct cheese is goat's feta.
After getting the cheese wrong, I'm disappointed. I'm now in the bottom 3.
We've got Leandri and Tumi in the bottom 3. So there's one more spot left for the bottom 3.
No matter what the result is from what they're going to show us under the basket, one of us is in the pressure test.
Let's taste that next cheese.
Camembert and Brie both have a rind around it. It threw me a little bit because I was not sure if it's a Brie or it's a Camembert.
Right, Mary, your choice is up. Celine, you made 3 choices that you put out on the side. Right, you made your choice, Celine. Right, all done. 2 different choices of cheese. Well, I can tell the 3 of you that one of those answers is right out of the 2. And there is only one more spot for the elimination challenge. Let's find out. It's Camembert. Mary Amanda, you're safe. Celine, you're in the elimination.
No, just really sucks. Really sucks.
When next you cook in the MasterChef kitchen, for one of you, it'll be the last time.
Being in the bottom 3 with my sister just means that we're both going to have to show what we're made of. You know, at the end of the day, if I can't do something that they require of me, then I don't deserve to be here.